sweethearts, and welcome back to another 25 DIYs of Christmas. We're doing another gift slash cooking idea, and I don't know what doesn't scream Christmas apart from homemade jam. It is a scorcher of a day, so I'm kind of already regretting doing this one. With the oven on, it's going to get pretty hot, but I love making homemade jam. There's something about it. We're going to make strawberry, blueberry and cherry jam. As you know, I'm doing a lot of homemade and cottage inspired things this year, and I picked up a heap of mason jars from the op shop. Now another thing I love to do is recycle all my jars that have like sauces in it, like your pasta sauce jars or minced garlic jars. Save them, reuse them and recycle them. I'll show you in this video as well the best way to prep your jars so you have some long lasting jam. We're really only going to need 3 ingredients. I've just decided to do different flavors, hence the different berries. Lemons naturally have the chemical in it to help set these. So all you're going to need is some sugar, lemons and your preferred fruits and your recycled jars. Let's start off by cleaning our jars and removing any labels. And after that we're going to cut up all our fruit. So just in my kitchen sink I've boiled a few kettles of boiling water and I'm letting these soak to help remove all the labels. You can see here they become so easy to come off. Everything is cut up now, so we're going to now juice our lemons. I'm juicing 4 for the amount of fruit I've got in the flavors. So I did 2 punts of strawberries, about 250 grams of cherries and 2 punts of blueberries. We'll need a cup of sugar for each, and I'm just going to divide these 4 lemons between them as well. Everything's cut up, juiced and ready to go, so let's head over to the stove and get this cooking. We might start off with the cherry. We're going to add all these cherries, 1 cup of sugar and half a cup of lemon juice to the pan, let that simmer, and then for the last 20 minutes we're going to let it boil. Holy cow, it is so hot in this house. I've done the cherry, the blueberry, and I've almost finished the strawberry. I just thought I'd tell you what I've done so far. So, wow, I can't believe how hot it is. It is ridiculous. So after you wash your jars with soapy hot water, you then want to put them in a cold oven on 200 degrees for about 30 minutes. This is to completely sterilize them. Turn the oven off when it's finished and just let them sit in there because you want them to stay hot. So I've got 2 more jars still left in the oven, and I've got my strawberry jam still on the stove. I'm going to do a trail test now to see if it's ready because we want it to be able to set. If it's too runny, it won't set when it's cooled. I've just popped this little saucepan in the freezer and it's nice and cold. I'm going to put a little bit of our strawberry jam mixture on here, put it back in the fridge for 30 seconds and test to see if it's set. So a little bit on here, I think it's ready. It looks like it's ready. Literally for 30 seconds. Just enough that like the top of it cools down. We want to have like a nice clean trail through it. We don't want it to be too runny. All the different fruits will set at different times, which is really tricky. So you do want to do this test to know if it's ready or not. The strawberry probably has taken the longest. It smells so good in here. It's so nice and sweet smelling. Alright, it's been about 30 seconds. So it's been about 30 seconds. I'm going to do this really nice and close so you can see. Oop, it's still a bit warm. Oh, no, we definitely need to leave it in there a little bit longer. As you can see, it's actually sliding down the saucepan. It hasn't set, so we'll let it boil for a little bit longer. Homemade strawberry jam just tastes so much better. Leave that on there for a little bit longer. While these are cooling down, I'm going to run down to the studio and use my Cricut to make some labels. I'll probably make some circular ones on the top with a little cheeky little pun that has something to do with the flavour that they are. And I have 3 different jams and 3 different gifts. I'm actually thrilled how well the Cricut turned out. I'm still a Cricut beginner, so I'm very happy with the results of these labels. It definitely stepped up the whole gift level. Thanks for joining me for another 25 DIYs of Christmas. I'm Brooke Styles and I'll see you tomorrow for another DIY.